Class 10th students, it is the next video from the chapter Life Process. Topic is structure of nephron. In human beings, each kidney is made up of large number of excretory units, which are the nephrons. Nephrons are also known as the structural and functional units of kidney. Nephron consists of following parts, which are the renal capsule or the Malpighian body, and second part is the renal tubule. Renal capsule consists of cup-shaped broader part of nephron, which is Bowman's capsule, that is a funnel-like structure. Bowman's capsule has a bunch of blood capillaries, which is glomerulus. Glomerulus develops from an afferent arteriole. This afferent arteriole further gives rise to an efferent arteriole. Diameter of efferent arteriole is less than afferent arteriole. Now about second part, which is the renal tubule. From Bowman's capsule, a pipe-like structure arises, which is the renal tubule. It is covered by a network of blood capillaries. This renal tubule has three regions, three parts. First part, which is connected with Bowman's capsule, is the proximal convoluted tubule. Second part is the loop of Henle, and third is distal convoluted tubule, DCT. Distal convoluted tubule opens into collecting duct. Collecting duct of each nephron joins ureter. So what is PCT or the proximal convoluted tubule? It is the upper end of renal tubule connected with Bowman's capsule. Loop of Henle is the U-shaped turn or the middle portion of Bowman's capsule, whereas the last end of this tubule is the DCT, distal convoluted tubule, that is connected with collecting duct. Here is the figure of nephron. The main parts are here Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. The funnel-like structure is the Bowman's capsule, which has bunch of blood capillaries, which is glomerulus. From Bowman's capsule, a pipe-like structure emerges, that is the renal tubule, which has three regions. The upper region is the proximal convoluted tubule, the middle portion, which is U-shaped turn, that is loop of Henle, and third part, that is the last end of this renal tubule, which is connected with collecting duct, is the distal convoluted tubule. The blood capillary surrounds it, and after filtration and reabsorption, clean blood is passed into renal vein and finally into body parts. So it is the figure of or the structure of nephron. In next video about the function of nephron. Thanks.